Good morning. Like I said, didn't even change the shirt. Brand new video. It's super nice. The weather is awesome out here. I'm trying to see if there's a... It's too early for that anyways. It's only 8 o'clock. Basically what I want to do here is if I find the store, and I don't know what time it opens, I got to open Google maybe after I load. Want to find a sunglasses store and get myself a pair of Oakley Holbrook glasses, the kind with the prism lens. I know exactly what I want. I know the exact style, I know the color, I know everything. I've been looking at them for a while. Problem is they're expensive glasses. The reason I want them is because the pair I have, I've had them for like a year and a half, and they're starting to slowly here and there show scratches because they are in a van, it gets dusty. I go into warehouses and stuff with them, and those glasses are just too nice to be able to use for work. So I want to give myself another nice pair, but at the same time, not so nice. Just use them for work only. Basically, they're the lenses interchange as well. So if you ever like drop them and scratch the lenses, you can always get new lenses, stick them in there, and you'll be having brand new glasses. Maybe old frame, but brand new pair of glasses. Was I supposed to turn? Yes, I was. Huh. How about that? Missed my turn talking. Heading to the pickup. It was 15 miles from where I was at, or 15 minutes. Now I'm 5 miles away, 8 minutes away. This pickup is supposedly load by hand, unload by hand, 400 pounds worth of stuff. I think they said it was like cardboard boxes. I mean, we'll see what it is. I have no problem loading some boxes. I've got my ramp with me. I've got the hand truck with me, so we'll get it done. Not an issue. Always get it done. That's the motto. No matter what, we will get it done. Even if I gotta go get a guy off the street and pay him something to help me if I ever, get in a pinch. No matter what, the delivery is going to be done. If it's in my power, to do it, if I'm on site, it's going to get delivered. There's just no ifs or buts. Cool part is over here, it's really, really nice weather. They've got some cool golf courses out here. Here's a golf course. I want to go golfing one of these days. Like, seriously, I don't think maybe they're open already. I don't know. But on a weekday, you probably can't get in just all by yourself. But yeah, there's a few people. There's a few people out there already. So I want to go golfing. I also want to give myself some new clubs. The kind I have are old and used. Old and used. Some stuff that I've gotten from yard sales, some stuff I've gotten from Facebook, Craigslist, Goodwill, or whatever, thrift store. I'm supposed to turn here. I got things falling. I already missed one turn. And this is my second one. Still, it's super nice out here. I wanted to fly the drone somewhere. I don't know where it'll be. Probably by delivery or by pickup, probably, or by delivery. I don't know exactly where. But had somebody tell me, a guy that lives in Kalispell was asking my father-in-law how the housing market is in Spokane. I don't know if you guys didn't know or did know. But inland Northwest right now is the highest overpriced housing market in the nation. I don't know what's going on. People are coming to Montana, to Oregon, to Washington, and buying up everything. California's coming here hardcore. They have been for years. they'll sell their little shack for $1 million over there. Come this way and they'll buy themselves a castle. Well, it used to be a castle. Right now, they've raised the housing market on houses that used to be 120,000, and now they're like 450,000. So, can you believe that? Just a few years ago, we built our house for, turn right, yeah, we do. We built our house. I'm not gonna say the price, but right now it's worth over $1 million. And so basically it went up in value of like $700,000, $700,000 up in value over the last 5 years. We built it 5 years ago. Can you believe that? So they said that the average home is starting at $500,000 here in Kalispell. $500,000 is the average. That's insane. Same with Spokane. It's incredible what the prices are. It's crazy. But I mean, there's some nice looking ones like this one. I like rancher style. We got a rancher. I like that. Those kind of style homes, just like that. A lot of cool, like, I mean, it's nice out here. I don't know. I think I would live here, actually. Believe it or not, I would. I mean, look at that house over there. Look at the white one. And everything is just so flat between the mountains, and then you got the mountains on the sides, like surrounding you. Do a whole 360 of mountains. So everybody has a good view. Everybody's got a good view. I don't know. I mean, it is winter. They do have a little bit of summer. About 2.5 months worth. About 2 solid months. 2 to 3, almost 3. 2.5-ish. Look at that. Someone's building, so we got 1, 2. I don't know, what was that? 6 rocks? And that's probably a full load. People are building in this area like crazy. Same with us. The cost of labor for like construction right now is just, it's incredible here. It's incredible. I can speak from our town, Spokane, Coeur d'Alene, Post Falls, Idaho. So even people from California hooked up trailers, came out here with crews, and some of the smart ones, they're actually building, making crazy money because our labor cost is incredible. It just went through the roof. People are raking in money. They've dropped trucking a long time ago, and they're raking money in construction. All right, let's see each other at pickup. And I want to stop and get coffee. I already missed all the gas stations, so now I don't know if I'll get anything. Maybe a coffee shop if I notice one along the way. I usually don't even go to the coffee shops. Too much money, people. We're not millionaires. We're trying to be someday, but we're not millionaires yet. This is why you got to give yourself extra time, because you think you're gonna get there on time, but you might not. I got here, but problem was that it brought me somewhere else, so I just wasted like 10 minutes trying to find the right place. Well, we're here now. Let's go inside and let's go check in, see where our stuff is.
You want the whole pallet in there?
Yeah, you could just
Set it up in there where you can go?
yeah, no, that's okay.
You might want to get out of there then.
Go ahead.
You must have elected yourself for this part, huh? In Montana?
Collected. I come here all the time, actually.
Oh, do ya?
Come here every week from Seattle.
Oh shit.
I gotta do the Medline stuff.
You're in the door, dude.
Awesome, thank you.
You're welcome. Sorry about all that.
It's okay. I'm glad you guys found it.
Right?
It's never easy. Well, I guess sometimes it's easy. I guess with expediting, you gotta expect that it's gonna be troubles sometimes. I get here and right off the bat, I walk in the office and the guy's like, "Why'd they send you here?" I told them that the freight is not here. I told them we cannot find it. It got scanned here, but I think they're slapping labels at Salt Lake onto different freight saying it's been delivered or saying it's here. Somebody scans it and so on and so forth. And I'm thinking in my head, I don't want to argue with the guy because, hey, you know, maybe he's having a bad day. But if it's been scanned here and you're saying that it got scanned here 3 times and for the past 3 weeks you guys cannot find it, what does that mean? That means it's here and you guys just can't find it. If it's been scanned 3 times, doesn't make any sense. So he's like automatically saying, "Oh, I don't know why you're here, blah blah." Tell him it's not here. Tell him we can't find it. I'm like, "What do you mean? Tell him it's not here? Tell him we can't find it." I drove all the way from Spokane over here. I mean, I didn't, but I did, but I didn't. But I did. You guys know what I'm talking about. Sometimes you do have to tell them that. That way they start looking for your stuff. Otherwise, they're just gonna send you home and you're gonna be without anything. So you got to be persistent. And you got to give it time. Don't be in a hurry to just say, "Oh, it's not there, hurry up." You know, let it ride out a little bit. Let a little bit of time pass by. Let them feel guilty about it. And they'll start looking for it and they'll, hopefully eventually find it. That's what happened to me today. They actually found it. So, I told them, "Hey, I came from Spokane," and after that, they started looking for it. Before that, they didn't really care. They just wanted me gone so they can get on with their day, do the rest of the stuff that they're backed up with. But thank God that I'm persistent, and I even went out there. I told them I can help you guys look for it or whatever. Kept giving them description of like what the size of the pallet was, that they told me it's boxes on a pallet and so on and so forth. So yeah, we're all good. I'm just glad that it's here. I have it in my possession and I'm on my way. Because if it was not here, they would pay me a tonu and I would be, $400 less rich. Now I'm going to be $400 richer. So let's get on with it. It's an inside delivery. I got all my stuff with me, so we'll get it done. The professional way, white glove service, everything they expected. Here is beautiful across the street. There's a river, there's resorts, all kinds of goodies out here. I'm here, but it's a UPS store, because you guys can see right there. I don't know exactly where this person is. There's no such thing as a Hanson Technology. I'm gonna go inside the UPS store and find out. Well, it goes to the UPS store, so we're all good. Basically, the guy receives all his stuff here, so we're fine. Another happy customer, and I'm talking about this customer is really, really, really happy. Why are they happy? Because I actually got the load for them and brought it here and made them find it. I mean, I was worried more about myself than the customer in a way, but either way. I needed that freight to be there and get it loaded up, as well as the customer, and maybe the customer and their customer probably needed it more. So all done, all signed for, all good. Some of those boxes were ripped and damaged. No wonder they were kind of, basically they hid them, the damaged parts. They repalletized the whole thing, and the damaged parts, they, you know, turned the boxes so they're inward, so everything that was on the pallet had damage on it, and they hid the damage. So not very good, MTC, if you guys are watching. But anyways, that's just, you know, how the freight world works. If nobody saw it, nobody noticed, it goes unnoticed and it goes unpunished. One of those type of things. Thanks for watching, guys. Subscribe if you haven't yet. And we're gonna do a quick little drone flight at the end here to show you guys what Bigfork looks like.